Decision paralysis, also known as choice paralysis or decision overload, refers to the phenomenon where individuals struggle to make a decision when faced with an excessive number of options. Instead of feeling empowered by having more choices, individuals become overwhelmed and find it challenging to weigh the pros and cons of each option, leading to indecision and inaction. Individuals may spend an excessive amount of time analyzing and evaluating each option, leading to a never-ending cycle of weighing pros and cons without reaching a decision. This overanalysis can result in decision fatigue and ultimately delay or prevent decision-making altogether. With numerous options available, individuals may fear making the wrong decision and experiencing regret. This fear of choosing poorly can paralyze individuals, causing them to avoid making decisions or procrastinate indefinitely. The abundance of options makes it challenging for individuals to compare and contrast each option effectively. Constantly comparing options can lead to confusion and uncertainty about which option is truly the best fit for their needs and preferences. Having more choices raises expectations and standards, making it more difficult for individuals to be satisfied with any single option. The fear of settling for a suboptimal choice can deter individuals from committing to any decision. Faced with decision paralysis, some individuals may opt to avoid making a decision altogether, either by deferring the decision to a later time or by delegating the decision-making responsibility to others. In The Paradox of Choice by Barry Schwartz, the author discusses various methods and strategies for decision-making, particularly in the context of coping with choice overload and decision paralysis. Satisficing is a decision-making strategy where individuals aim to find options that meet their criteria or standards, rather than striving for the absolute best choice. This approach involves setting clear decision criteria and choosing the first option that satisfies those criteria, rather than exhaustively evaluating all possible alternatives. Schwartz suggests limiting the number of options available when making decisions to avoid feeling overwhelmed by choice. By narrowing down choices to a manageable number, individuals can focus their attention and make decisions more efficiently. Embracing constraints involves recognizing and accepting limitations or constraints in decision-making, such as budgetary constraints or time limitations. By acknowledging these constraints, individuals can prioritize options that are feasible and realistic within the given parameters. Schwartz emphasizes the importance of considering core values and priorities when making decisions. By aligning choices with personal values and goals, individuals can make decisions that are more meaningful and fulfilling, leading to greater satisfaction and well-being. Schwartz encourages experimentation and iteration in decision-making, particularly when faced with uncertainty or ambiguity. Trying out different options and learning from experience can help individuals refine their preferences and make more informed decisions over time. Seeking advice from trusted sources or experts can provide valuable insights and perspectives that may help individuals make better decisions. Consulting others can offer new information, alternative viewpoints, and reassurance in the decision-making process. Practicing mindfulness and reflection can help individuals become more aware of their decision-making process and its underlying motivations. Taking the time to pause, reflect, and consider the consequences of decisions can lead to more thoughtful and deliberate choices. These methods and strategies offer practical approaches to navigating choice overload and decision paralysis, allowing individuals to make decisions more confidently and effectively in various aspects of life. By adopting these approaches, individuals can overcome the paradox of choice and improve their overall well-being.